In this video, you'll learn how to navigate the Bitget exchange for futures trading. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the steps needed to start trading futures on this platform, which can enhance your trading strategies and opportunities. Begin by accessing the Bitget exchange. Open your web browser and type in the Bitget URL to reach the homepage. Ensure to a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during this process. Once on the homepage, locate the option labeled Beyond Crypto. This is usually found in the main navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on this option to proceed to the next section of the site where you will find various trading options. After clicking on Beyond Crypto, look for the option that says Futures. This will direct you to the futures trading section. The interface should display different futures trading options available on the platform, allowing you to explore various trading. Next, select Futures settled in USDT. This option is crucial as it indicates that the trades will be settled in Tether, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Once you select this option, the platform will load the relevant trading pairs available for futures. You will now see a button labeled Trade. Click on this to enter the trading interface. This area is where you will execute your trades, and it will provide you with all the necessary tools to manage your positions effectively. After entering the trading interface, locate the option labeled Cross. This will allow you to choose your margin type. Selecting this option is essential for understanding how much margin will be used for your trades. Next, find the highlighted area within the trading interface. Click on the highlight option to ensure that you are viewing the relevant trading pair for your futures trading. This step is critical for confirming that you are trading the correct asset. Proceed by clicking on the Open button. This action indicates that you are ready to start a new trade. Ensure that you have reviewed your settings before proceeding, as this will affect your trading strategy. Now click on the Limit option. This allows you to set a specific price at which you want to enter the market. Using limit orders can be beneficial for executing trades at desirable price points. You will then be prompted to enter the price, specify the price at which you wish to buy or sell the futures contract. This step is crucial for ensuring that your trade executes at your desired level. Next, click on Available to view the amount of USDT you have in your account. This will help you assess how much you can invest in your futures trade, ensuring that you do not exceed your available balance. After checking your available balance, click on Quantity. Here, you will specify the number of contracts you wish to trade. Make sure to calculate this based on your risk management strategy. Then, click on Cost. This section will show you the total cost of the trade based on the price and quantity you entered. Review this carefully to ensure it aligns with your trading plan. Now, click on TP/Seller, which stands for Take Profit and Stop Loss. Setting these parameters is essential for managing your risk and securing potential profits in your trades. You will need to click on Take Profit next, enter the price at which you want to take profit on your trade. This helps you lock in gains if the market moves in your favor. Following that, click on Stop Loss. Specify the price at which you want to limit your losses. This is a critical component of risk management in trading. Next, click on Time in Force. This option allows you to set how long your order will remain active. It is important to choose the right duration based on your trading strategy. After configuring your settings, click on Open Long if you expect the price to rise. Alternatively, select Open Short if you believe the price will fall. This final step confirms your position in the market. Once you've completed all these steps, your futures trade will be executed according to the parameters you've set. Ensure that you monitor your trade and adjust your strategy as necessary based on market conditions.